Hello guys, welcome to How to Wisdom, and today we'll be starting a series called How to Make Money with YouTube without being on camera or record videos. If you actually want to make money on YouTube, please follow this series and please don't miss out on this series. It's going to be explosive, it's going to be mind-opening, it's going to be really educative. If you need information on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make more money on YouTube, how to have explosive views, how people get to retire just being a YouTuber long term, follow this series. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that once the video comes up, you are alerted and updated and you can come and watch it immediately. Thank you for following and subscribing to our channel, and expect more. Take care.